Great morning, students. Now we are learning our chapter number 2, factor and multiple. And in this chapter, we learn the factors, the multiple, how to find HCF, how to find LCM, and how we find the LCM by division method and by prime factorization method. In my previous video, I explained you question number 10 to 20, and now I explain you the question number 21, and in this question we have to given find the list number. List means वो छोटे से छोटा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय ऑल दीज नंबर्स, जो इन सभी नंबर से डिविजिबल हो रहा है. सो लेट अस वी स्टार्ट. जब भी लिस्ट वर्ड आता है, लिस्ट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम. सो लेट अस वी स्टार्ट. 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. Now here you see that all these numbers are divisible by 2 except only 15. So we write 15 as it is. 2 10s are 20, 2 12s are 24, 2 16s are 32 and 2 18s are 36. Again this number is divisible by 2. So here we write again 15 as it is. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Now here these two numbers are again divisible by 2. So again we start to divide the number by 2. Now here we write 15, then 5, then 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and then 9. Now there is only one number that is divisible by 2. So we leave it as it is and we start to divide the number by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is and then 3. Now here you see that only one number is divisible by 3. So we again leave it as it is and we start to divide the number by 5. Now our number 5 1s are 5, 1, 4 and 3. Now only these two numbers are left and these are divisible by itself. जो only 4 जो है 2 से divisible है या 4 से divisible है and 3 is only divisible by 3. Now here we write the LCM and in LCM we see that our 2 comes 3 times. So we write it here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now 3 comes 2 times, 1 times is here and 1 times is here. So we write 3 multiplied by 3. And your 5 comes only 1 time. Now we have to multiply all these numbers and after doing the multiplication we see that 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72 and 72 multiplied by 5 that is equal to 360. So our LCM becomes 360 and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now we start our question number 22. And in this question it is given that find the list number which when divided by this leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. When we are doing the questions of HCF, in these questions also remainder is given. But the difference in HCF remainder and LCM remainder is that in HCF first of all we subtract the remainder. But in LCM case it is a different. First of all we find the LCM of the given numbers. So let us we start to find the LCM of 25, 40 and 60. Now this number is divisible by 2. 25 is as it is. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 3s are 6, again 0. Now 2 25, 2 10s are and 2 15s are. Now here you see that only one number is divisible by 2. Only one number is divisible by 5. So we take 5. We divide all these numbers by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now all these numbers 5, 2 and 3 all are different. So we leave it as it is and we start to write the LCM. So here we write LCM. 2 comes 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So we write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 3 comes only 1 times and 5 comes 2 times. So we write all these numbers and now we multiply all these numbers and find the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 25s are, because 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, then 2 carry 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, then 24 2s are 48 and after adding you get the number is 600. So your LCM becomes 600. LCM is 600. But what you have to find? You have to find the least number which when divided by this leaves 9 as a remainder. ये हमारा LCM आया है, तो required number, जो number आपको required है, required number that is equal to LCM plus remainder. जो आपका remainder है वो आप यहाँ पर add करेंगे and after adding these you get 609 and this is your answer. I hope you understand this concept and you also remember that what is the difference between in HCF question and LCM question. HCF question में हम remainder को minus करते थे at the starting time, but in LCM question we add the remainder in our LCM. So we do our next question. Now we start our question number 23 and in this question it is given that find the least number of 5 digit. 5 digit का वो छोटे से छोटा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, that is exactly divisible by these numbers. कि वो नंबर जो इन नंबर से एग्जैक्ट डिवाइड हो रहा है. एग्जैक्ट डिवाइड मीन्स रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है. तो दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो see that how we do this question. First of all, we find the LCM of these numbers 16, 18, 24 and 30. Now here you see that all these numbers are divisible by 2. So we write 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 2 12 are 24 and 2 15 are. Now again this number is divisible by 2. 2 4 are 9 as it is, 2 6 are and 15. Again by 2. 2 2 are 4, 9 as it is, 2 3 are 6 and 15 as it is. Now here 2 is only one time, so we start to divide the number by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 1, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now 2 3 5 all these numbers comes only one times. So here we write the LCM. LCM write down किया. 2 comes 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Now 3 comes 2 times and then 5. Now we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 3 to the 48 and 48 multiplied by 15. 48 multiplied by 15. 15 8 ja 120, then 12 carry, 15 4 ja 60 plus 12 that is equal to 720. Now your LCM is equal to 720. Now what you have to find? We have to find the least 5 digit number. वो छोटे से छोटा 5 digit number. So first of all we write the 5 digit number. Here we write 5, list 5 digit number. List 5 digit number that is equal to 1 and after their 40. Now we have to divide this number by their LCM. So we start to divide the number 10,000 divided by 720. वंजा पे गया 720 as it is, 0, 10 minus 2, 8 and 9 minus 7, 2. Now this 0 comes down and the number becomes 2800. Now this number is divided by 3. क्योंकि 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 4 7 जा 28 एंड 4 2 जा 8. 28 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, 8 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, तो ये नंबर बन जाएगा 288 एंड दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन. सो 300, 3 2 जा 6, 3 7 जा 21. नाउ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 6. 640 आ गया. अब देखिए जो मेन प्रोसेस है, जो आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से देखना है, वो हम क्या करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 640 फ्रॉम 720. 720 में से हम किसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 720 माइनस 640. तो माइनस किया तो हमारा नंबर आया 80. 720 minus 640, then our number becomes 80. 80 नंबर आ गया. अब हमें 5 डिजिट का नंबर राइट डाउन करना है. तो 5 डिजिट का नंबर हम क्या करेंगे, इस नंबर में ये जो 80 डिफरेंस आया है ये ऐड कर देंगे तो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड नंबर आ जाएगा. तो क्या करेंगे हम 10,000 में 80 ऐड करेंगे तो आवर नंबर बिकम्स 10,080 and 10,080 is the least 5 digit number which is divisible by this. So 10,080 is least 5 digit number. 5 digit number which is exactly divisible by this number. Clear this one? Now we do our next question. Now we do our question number 24, and this question is also very important for like the question number 23. And in this question you have to given find the greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by this. जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, उसमें स्मॉलेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना था. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय दिस. सो योर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सिमिलर टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड द LCM of all these numbers, and these numbers are divisible by 2. So we write here 9, 2 6 are 12, 15, 2 9s are, and 2 12s are 24. Again by 2, 9, 3, 15, 9 and 6. Now these numbers are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Again all these numbers are divisible by 3. 5 is as it is and 2 is as it is. Now here we see that our 2 comes 3 times. So we write here LCM, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and 3 comes 2 times. So we write here 2 times, and a 5 comes only 1 time. Now we have to multiply all these numbers, and after multiplying we get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, and 72 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 360. It means that your LCM becomes 360. Now we have to, first of all we write the greatest 5 digit number. So here we write greatest 5 digit number, that is equal to 5 times 9. Because we know that the greatest digit is 9, we have to write the 5 digit number. So here we write 9 5 times. Now we have to divide this greatest 5 digit number by their LCM. So we write here 360, and we divide this number by 360. Now here we start. If we divide this number by 3, 3 6 are 18 and 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. तो नंबर जो है 9 से ग्रेटर आ रहा है, so we divide this number by 2. 2 0 0, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. 9 as it is, 9 minus 2 7 and 9 minus 7 that is equal to 2. Now this 9 comes down and now our number is divisible by 9 3 जा 27, तो 27 यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी है, तो 9 से तो जाएगा नहीं, 8 से ट्राई करते हैं. 8 6 जा 48, देन 4 कैरी, 8 3 जा 24 प्लस 4 28. तो 8 से भी आपका नंबर ग्रेटर जा रहा है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, 7 से डिवाइड करें. 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 7 0 0, 7 6 जा 42, देन 4 कैरी, 7 3 जा 21, 21 प्लस 4 that is equal to 25. 9 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 5 2. Now this 9 comes down. Now this number is divisible by, again 7 से ही जा रहा है, क्योंकि 8 से जाएगा तो 8 6 जा 48, 8 3 जा 24 प्लस 4 28. नंबर ग्रेटर जाएगा तो अगेन नंबर 7 से जा रहा है, तो सेम नंबर and your remainder is 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 2 this 279. Now here we see that what is the difference in the previous question and this question. देखिए आपको लार्जेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर राइट है उनका, उसमें हमने प्लस किया था, तो यदि हम इस नंबर में एक सिंगल 1 भी ऐड करते हैं तो ये 5 डिजिट नंबर नहीं रहेगा, दिस बिकम्स स्मॉलेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर. So we have to subtract the remainder from this number. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 5 डिजिट ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर में से हम 279 को माइनस कर देंगे. माइनस करेंगे देन आवर आंसर बिकम्स 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2 7, then 9 and then 9. This is the greatest 5 digit number that is divisible by the given numbers. कि जो आपके पास गिवन नंबर्स थे ये उन सभी नंबर से डिविजिबल है, डिविजिबल बाय द गिवन numbers. So this is our answer. Clear this one? Main जो आपका आंसर है that is your answer. Now I hope you understand this concept and you also understand the difference between the greatest number find out करने में और smallest number find out करने में. Thank you and have a nice day.